So I want to show you this cool capo trick here that I learned from my buddy Mike Heading, who's an amazing banjo player. So you can see that I'm capoed 2 here. I have my capo on the 2nd fret, and if I play in the D position, you know, it sounds pretty good, and you can make do that way. But there's a cool trick you can do when you're playing out of capo 2 out of the D position, and what you can do here. And there's a lot of songs that have this too, so what you can do is you can take the capo off and bring it underneath like this and put it on there so that the capo is covering the top 5 strings. You can see that. So it's covering the top 5 strings, and that low E is open. So what that does is that basically gives you a drop D tuning when you're capoed up 2. So you've got that E note ringing out open, which is actually the D note, or in the D position. So it's just kind of a cool thing you can do, and you can really create some interesting sounds this way. All the other chords are the same. So the magic happens when you hit that D chord, and then you can hit that low E. And that's kind of like an open, ringing, low bass string, D bass string here.